Yeah, what's up guys, it's here right here. Today I want to share with you how to fix an error message that pops up in game bar when you are trying to record your screen or game. For instance, you can see right now I'm trying to record and I'll get an error message. Sorry, this PC doesn't meet the hardware requirement for recording clips. So I'm going to show you how to fix this problem right now. You see right now I cannot launch, I cannot record anything. So we are going to dive into this video to talk about it and to fix it. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to get an internet connection. You have to connect to the internet. And I'm right now connecting to my internet, connected. So the next thing that you are going to do is you have to go to Google. When you go to Google, you are going to type in game DVR config.exe download. That pops up, the first one. So you are going to click on that. When you click on that, you have to wait for it to load. So after that, you are going to click on the first link, releases funky FR and game bar. The first link that pops up. So click on that. It is loading right now. So when you click on that, you have to wait for it to load. Maybe the network connection is not super fresh. So here you have to go down, you have to scroll down to assets. We have game bar here, game DVR config.exe. It is only 20 kilobytes. So you click on that. You are going to download the file actually. So when you click on that, you have to save it. Right now I have saved the application or the software game DVR config.exe. So right now you have to minimize your web browser. Go to downloads or where you saved the software. Here is mine, game DVR. Double click on that. A window will show or a window will pop up. Run. And here is the window that we have, game DVR config. The first one is enable game DVR. It is already checked, but that's not the reason. That's not what we are going to check here. We are going to check force software MFT 16 FPS plus VBR. You have to check that. Check that. When you check that, you close that window. And the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to enter task manager. When you go to task manager, from processes, we are going to end broadcast DVR server. We are going to end that task. End it. So when you end it, you close the window, the task manager. So when you close the task manager, we are going to see whether it is going to work. The game bar. Okay, here is it. So right now we are going to click to see whether it is going to record the window for us. Amazing. You can see that it is working right now. It is working 100%, 5 seconds. So this video will show you how to fix when you have the PC doesn't meet the minimum requirements to record video clips. Thanks for watching. It's Z on the Bright Star. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, share and like. It's Z on the channel. Thanks. Peace out.